Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open computer management in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to open computer management in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. After click on Windows System. After click on Control Panel. After click on Administrative Tools. After click on Computer Management. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open computer management in desktop PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.